industry that can use Rplus Service ERP software. Rplus Service ERP software is an important tool for businesses that provide services to customers. Here are some industries that can use Rplus Service ERP software. Its services. Companies that provide IT services, such as software development, network management, and cybersecurity, can use Rplus Service ERP software to manage their contracts, track service requests, and monitor service performance. HVAC services. Companies that provide HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services, such as installation, repair, and maintenance, can use Rplus Service ERP software to manage service contracts, dispatch technicians, and track service history. Electrical services. Companies that provide electrical services, such as wiring, installation, and repair, can use Rplus Service ERP. Medical equipment services. Companies that provide medical equipment services, such as maintenance, repair, and calibration, can use Rplus Service ERP software to manage service contracts, track service history, and monitor equipment performance. Security services. Companies that provide security services, such as service installation, monitoring, and maintenance, can use Rplus Service ERP software to manage service contracts, track service requests, and monitor service performance. Industrial equipment services. Companies that provide industrial equipment services, such as maintenance, repair, and calibration, can use Rplus Service ERP software to manage service contracts, track service history, and monitor equipment performance. Overall, any industry that provides services to customers can benefit from Rplus Service ERP software to improve their service management, contract management, and customer relationship management. Rplus Service ERP software is an ideal solution for service businesses that want to streamline their operations and improve customer management. Here are some of the key features and benefits of Rplus Service ERP software for service businesses. Lead and sales management. Easily manage leads, prospects, and sales opportunities using the intuitive interface. Convert leads to sales, track sales performance, and forecast revenue. Customer management. Maintain a detailed database of customer information, including contact details, service history, and contract details. Quickly search and filter customer records to find relevant information. Sales order management. Manage sales orders efficiently, including order processing, picking, and shipping. Track sales order status and generate sales reports. Invoicing and billing. Generate invoices and process payments seamlessly. Customize billing terms, track overdue payments, and receive automatic payment reminders. A project management tool is used by businesses and organizations to help plan, organize, and manage projects from start to finish. These Rplus Service ERP software solutions can help streamline workflows, increase team collaboration, and provide insights into project progress and resource allocation. Some common features of project management software include task management and assignment, team collaboration and communication tools, resource allocation and scheduling, time tracking and reporting, project progress reporting and analytics. Rplus CRM Software offers a comprehensive and non-comprehensive AMC, annual maintenance contract, software solution that is designed to meet the needs of service businesses. Some of the key features of Rplus Service ERP for service businesses include service management. Streamline service requests, dispatch technicians, and track service performance metrics. Monitor spare parts inventory, track service history, and manage service contracts. Analytics and reporting. Access real-time insights into your business performance with powerful analytics and reporting tools. Monitor key performance indicators, track service metrics, and generate custom reports. Mobile access. Access the software from anywhere, anytime using a mobile device. Quickly view customer information, service requests, and business reports on the go. Contract management. Easily manage AMC contracts and renewals, including tracking contract terms, billing cycles, and service schedules. Service management. Streamline service requests and dispatch technicians to customer sites quickly and efficiently. Track service history, manage spare parts inventory, and monitor service performance metrics. Ticket management. Easily manage customer complaints and support requests through a central ticketing system. Assign tickets to the appropriate department or agent for timely resolution. Customer communication. Communicate with customers in real time through the ticketing system, email, or chat. Keep customers informed about the status of their complaints and provide timely updates. Workflow automation. Automate your complaint management process with customizable workflows. Set up rules for ticket assignment, escalation, and resolution to improve efficiency and reduce response times. Knowledge base. Build a searchable knowledge base of frequently asked questions and solutions to help customers find answers to their complaints quickly. Analytics and reporting. Access real-time insights into your complaint management performance with powerful analytics and reporting tools. Monitor key performance indicators, track customer satisfaction metrics, and generate custom reports. Quickly view and manage complaints on the go. Rplus CRM offers a comprehensive stock management software solution that is designed to meet the needs of service businesses. Here are some of the key features and benefits of Rplus Service ERP software for service business. Inventory management. Easily manage your inventory of product cameras, accessories, and spare parts. Track stock levels, reorder points, and receive alerts when stock levels are low. Purchase management. Streamline the purchasing process, from creating purchase orders to receiving goods and tracking payments. Monitor supplier performance and generate purchase reports. Warehouse management. Manage multiple warehouses and locations, including stock transfers, stock adjustments, and stock counts. Monitor warehouse performance and generate warehouse reports. Quickly view inventory levels, purchase orders, and business reports on the go. Overall, Rplus Service ERP software for a service business can help you streamline your stock management, improve supply chain efficiency, and grow your business more effectively. It offers an easy-to-use interface, powerful features, and scalable architecture, making it an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes. For 15 days free trial, please visit our www.rpluscrm.com. Please book your online demo slot at 9,769,611,937. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel for new updates.